everyone, welcome back to another Daniel Fast recipe. Today we are going to be making quinoa and baked vegetables. I will show you the ingredients that you are going to need, and I will also show you step by step on how to get this delicious dish. You are going to need carrots, cilantro, garlic, onion, quinoa, and a lime. You will start by having a pan on medium-low heat and adding olive oil to your liking. Then you will go ahead and add your onion and your garlic, and you will cook it for about 5 to 10 minutes. Once that is ready, go ahead and add your quinoa. Make sure that you wash and rinse it before adding it in. This step will take about 10 to 15 minutes before we move on to the next thing. After 10 to 15 minutes of stirring it in, you will go ahead and add your carrots next. I also added here about a tablespoon of sea salt for some flavor. Once everything is incorporated, go ahead and add 4 cups of water. I'm using 2 cups of quinoa, so that is 4 cups of water. If you're doing 1 cup of quinoa, I suggest use 2 cups of water. Make sure you keep it on medium-low heat. Leave it as it is until it starts to boil, as you see here. Once you see it boiling, put it on the lowest heat, cover it, and let it steam for about another 15 minutes. And please be patient. Don't be opening it too much, otherwise it won't cook. After your quinoa is cooked, you're going to use a grater and take the zest out of a whole lime. After everything's incorporated, take the lime and squeeze the juice in there. Then you will finally take your cilantro and mix it all in there. Next, we will be moving on to our vegetables. I will be using cauliflower, broccoli, and squash. As you can see here, I have 2 sheet pans along with some olive oil and some homemade seasoning salt. We're going to start off by spraying some olive oil to the vegetables and put a generous amount of the seasoning on it. Mix it up and line them up as you like on the sheet pans. And then you're going to do the same with the squash. Once that is done, I'm going to preheat my oven to 350 degrees. Once the oven is hot and ready, you're going to put the sheet pans with the vegetables in the oven and you're going to bake it for 20 minutes. After that, you're going to bump up the temperature to 450 degrees and you're going to bake it for another 10 minutes. I also understand that everyone's oven works differently, so you can keep checking it until it bakes to your liking. My only mistake here was that I should have done them individually because the broccoli was very delicate and it almost burned on me, but it still tasted delicious. So if anything, I recommend to just use the middle rack if you want to bake anything and not burn it. And there you have it. This is a quinoa dish with baked vegetables. It's really delicious, really savory. I totally recommend for you guys to try it. My sister definitely loved it. As you can see, she served her family. It looks really nice, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and you continue to follow me and enjoy more of my recipes. Thank you.